What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got a Honda Pilot 2016 and we got a problem here. We have a message in the screen. Check this out. Hopefully the keys are in here. Okay, the keys not in here, so let me grab the keys. Okay, here's the keys. I did a video previously that we had another key, like a Toyota key into it. That wasn't the issue. Then we figured out the issue. Today we got a switch here. This is the switch we're looking at right here. All right, we're gonna replace this switch because we got this message in the dash. Car starts and everything, no problem. But you see this right there? That's the issue. That's the issue. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna replace this ignition switch. Got it from the Honda dealer, 70 bucks, my cost. And if you don't have a commercial account, it might be a little bit more. There's the part number if you want to find it online. Right there, Honda original. There's more numbers over here if you guys need. And that's everything. So we got the switch there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shut off this engine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here. We're gonna pop open. If there's any screws, remove the screws, but there isn't any screws. So we're gonna pop this guy. It's just a lot of retainers. There you go. This pops right open. Okay, you got a couple of connectors here. If you want to unplug these, you can unplug these. No issues with unplugging any of these. Just push down and everything should just come right off. So this one's giving me a hard time. I'm gonna pop that one open, no worries. We got one down here. Okay, it has a little vacuum line there, but what you can do is you can simply just push on these retainers on the side and remove the whole thing itself. So I'm gonna get that off and then we will continue. All right, so there's another one. My light was charged, but let's get this guy out. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Yes! I still gotta get this side off. So we got this little guy. It's out of the way. Let's put that right there. Next step, we're gonna take off this little Phillips head screw right there. But let's move this phone charger port to the side somewhere. We can disconnect it. And we're gonna take that off, and then same thing here. You're gonna push this forward, just pull it forward. It's all it has is retainers with that. Okay, next step, we're gonna take this guy off. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. So this little guy comes right off. Come on, why is it not popping off? There you go. So that's just one screw, Phillips head screw. Let's put that to the floor. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna yank all this forward, and this whole thing is gonna come forward. That's all space I need, okay? I don't need too much space here. And that's it. This guy's gonna pop open. If you wanna pop it further, it's up to you. But I think this should be more than enough. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the back. There's a couple of retainers holding this, and this thing slides right in there and it clips in there. Very simple. Okay, a little bit of technical difficulty. So this thing just popped out for me. All I did was yank this whole thing popped out. That's good. That's less work for me. So I'm gonna have my friend here help me, and my friend Joel here, he's gonna hold this just like that for me. Can you do that for me right there? So what you want to do here is, I know my video is long, but it's all about me explaining it to you. You're gonna squeeze this and this, and the switch should just come off. So I'm probably gonna have to put the camera down or try to go underneath, squeeze it and bring it out. Okay, while he's holding the camera for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze the thing so you're gonna see this thing come off. It is gonna come forward. So you squeeze those things. Put the light inside for me, please. You squeeze these two and you go forward. Look at that. And the connector right there, very simple to take that one off. All you do is you squeeze on the tab and the connector comes right off. That's how simple it is. So take this little guy off, don't mix it up with the other one, and you take the new one. Make sure you hold it properly, don't put it upside down. Probably can't put it upside down, probably you can, but I don't know if you're not even gonna try. That's too much work there. But anyways, let's align this guy. Okay, can you hold the camera for me, my friend? There you go. So simply you take this little guy and all you do is find the perfect slot for it, and it should just go in. Why am I not finding the slot? There you go. And click. Make sure you put the connector back in. Click. And after that, all you do is make sure everything is aligned. You clip everything back in its spot. And same thing here. Make sure everything is aligned and clicks. Put in your Phillips head screwdriver. You shouldn't have to program anything because this thing is not anything that related to programming the key or anything. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and the rest, I'm sure you guys can put it back together. And after that, start up the engine, reset the light if you need to, but I'm gonna put everything back together and then we'll check a little bit more further. Okay, everything is complete. I just do want to tell you, this cover right here pops right open. So all you do is yank this because you're not gonna be able to get none of that in there. And after that, you're done. You pop this one back in last. And the job is done. What we're gonna do is I'm probably gonna have to reset the light, but let's give it a shot. And do we have a message? Turn that door, close that door for me, please. Oh, Master Tech. It's fixed. We don't have to reset, no nothing. It just went away on its own. There's our new switch. Bada bing, bada boom. $1 million job. Do it yourself. Free, don't go to dealer. Give them the middle finger.